There's magic in the interplay of fire and steel, a spark that ignites when we transform vision into a knife. This challenge fuels my passion and love for the craft. Knife making is more than a business, it's an art, a calling. Each knife is handcrafted, ensuring no two are alike, reflecting the uniqueness of those who own them. When we personalize a knife for you, it becomes more than a tool. It's a connection, a piece of your individuality. At Kiwi Blade, our small size is our strength. We build meaningful relationships with our customers, crafting knives that carry stories and with care that mass production can't replicate. Every piece is functional art, shaped with precision and guided by experience. Unlike off-the-shelf options, our knives are tailor-made to bring your vision to life. Steeped in tradition, yet practical, our blades balance form and function. Each one bears the imprint of human touch, skill and passion. At Kiwi Blade, your knife is crafted by a true artisan, not a machine.